This quick video is about how to set Google Chrome as a default browser on any iPhone and iPad. Okay, usually if we tab any link, then it will be open on Safari app, and if we want to change this, just open settings. Now scroll down and open Google Chrome. And here you will see this option default browser app. Touch that. In default it will be selected on Safari, so you have to change this to Chrome. That's it. After this, when you click any link, then it will be automatically opens on Google Chrome like this. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.